Bright Nasty Entertainment, man. Got the heavy red boy. Eli. Red boy on top and bottom. Eli on top and bottom. With that Kobe on the bottom. You know what I mean? With that Jeep and that Kobe already gonna link anyway. If you know, you know. You know what I mean? That's Kobe anyway. But really threw out some crazy colors, man. Look at that one. That one like a dirty color with the raccoon eyes. Crazy. They locked on them titties. Look at that one here. Another old dirty color one. This one running away. Old brand new female. They fat. Will be for sale. Good hunting dogs, man. These gonna be them hunting dogs. These for people that want to hunt, man. Mama crazy. Daddy crazy. Prey drive out the roof, mouth. Mama mouth out the roof. Daddy mouth above average. He got a good mouth on him. It ain't no bad mouth. I do a flirt pole, little demonstration, but yeah, got some crazy colors right here. Yeah. It might be a male, I don't know. You can definitely see that red boy. Yeah. Came in here with one of my girl crocs on, It'll be alright. Mine camouflage, but anyway, it's showing the puppy. Heavy red boy. Huh? They fooled and just came off the nipple. That one still down there working. Rest of them fell out. And that brand new female still down there eating. This one got the raccoon eyes too. Oh, I can't even turn around. Look good to me. Till the mud start running around, man. That heavy red boy. Teeny bit of red boy Jack in there. And that Jeep in there. There's a little bit of rascal in there. Some rascal in there. A little bit of rascal. You know what I mean? That's the Eli that's on the top. You ain't no rascal was. People think he had all Eli Springs for mouth. That rascal that Eli was. That was the game trait that you want to get from that rascal. People don't know that. But yeah, I wore a mouth and all them be cool now, you know what I mean? But this how my dog survive, make a weapon box, you know what I mean? And put it in the crib. She had 6 and all of them doing good. They were born on Halloween puppy, man. So I'm on one of my cousins. He gonna probably get one of the males. I got 2 males and 4 females. Anybody want one of these females, better get in my inbox. I got one more male. He may be up for it because I fall in love with him. And because I got some more breeders coming that I can get the same Jeep Roscoe blood mixed with my other red boy Eli shit. So I'm going to get that off this little. I'm finna go make some videos about that hot heifer and that stud up. That's another. Yeah, two of them light brown ones is males, and tiger stripe ones is females. I know. One more of them is females with the white face. Yeah, man. Get your money right. They'll be ready in 4 to 5 weeks. As long as they're eating dog food, you can get them if you want to. Great Nasty Entertainment, man.